In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in funnel in Kajabi. Let's dive straight into the process. We'll take this step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding at every stage so you can efficiently build your very own opt-in funnel. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Kajabi website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in kajabi.com. Once you're on the Kajabi homepage, you'll need to locate the login button. You'll find it positioned conveniently on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on login, it will prompt you to access your account. You have two options here. You can log in using your email credentials, or if you prefer a more streamlined approach, you can opt to use your Google account. This method is particularly handy to save time, especially if you're juggling numerous tasks simultaneously. Upon successful login, you'll arrive at the Kajabi dashboard. From here, we need to navigate to the website tab. It's located in the main menu, which is straightforward and easy to find. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step in our funnel creation journey. Now, under the website section, there's an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and select this option. It will lead you to a list of all the web pages you've set up on Kajabi. What you're going to do next is scroll through this list until you find blog post. This is the page we'll use as a foundation for your opt-in funnel. With the blog post page selected, look over to the sidebar panel on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled blog post body. Click on it to access the content and settings related to the body of your blog post. Inside the blog post body settings, there's another section we need to focus on, blog post opt-in. This feature enables you to integrate an opt-in form directly within your blog post content, enhancing your ability to capture leads effectively. Once you click on blog post opt-in, you'll be presented with an option to show opt-in. You'll notice a checkbox next to this option. Simply check it to enable the opt-in feature. Following this, the next step is to connect a specific form to your opt-in. If you've already created forms in Kajabi, you'll see a drop-down menu here. Select the form you wish to link. If you're new to form creation, you might need to pause and familiarize yourself with that process before continuing. Now on to personalizing your opt-in. This is your chance to customize the design, content, and overall appearance to match your brand and entice your audience. Be sure to take your time with this, as a well-designed opt-in can significantly impact your conversion rates. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, there's just one more crucial step: saving your work. At the top or bottom of the page, depending on your browser, you'll see a save button. Click it to ensure all your changes are applied and preserved. And that's it, you've successfully created an effective opt-in funnel in Kajabi. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more and experiment with different designs and techniques to see what works best for your audience.